Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this cordless electric scissors from the manufacturer to do a review. It will cut up to 1/4 inches maximum. So let's open it up, look at its features, and give it a try. Okay, this is model ES01, 4 volts. Battery capacity is 2 amp hours. Has a USB charging cord. The cutting thickness, as I mentioned earlier, is 1/4 inch maximum. And inside you have the cordless electric scissors, extra blades, storage case, user manual. So let's check it out. So it comes with a kind of semi-rigid case, carrying handle, zipped up. Okay, here's an extra blade, USB to C charging cable. And here's the scissors. And then here is a original operating instructions. Okay, you have the activation trigger. You have the safety unlock buttons. So the scissors will not work until you press this and then the trigger at the same time. It's got 1 operating speed. You have the rubber handles for ergonomic comfort and reduced vibration. Then you have the rotating rotary blade itself. And then you have the guide up at the front. And then for charging, you have the USB to Type-C port here. And then you would have the charging indicator lights there. As you can see, it's got 1 charge. So let's see how this works on some cardboard and a few things. First, let's see if it'll cut paper. Very easy. Now this is the way to cut paper. Let's check out the cardboard. Very easy. So this will be the way to open up cardboard boxes. Very easy. Very fast and efficient. Let's double up the cardboard and see if it'll cut. Very easy. Let's see if it'll cut plastic, flexible plastic. Then to charge it, just plug in the USB into an AC plug, the Type-C into the electric cutter, and then plug it in to charge. And you can see the green lights are blinking. That indicates that it's charging. And when these 3 green lights turn solid, you know it's fully charged. This should last up to close to an hour of continuous cutting. So these are very effective electric scissors. They provide 2,000 milliamp hours of battery capacity. that'll last up to 60 minutes nonstop. The rotary blade, 300 RPMs, high speed. Very great tool for opening boxes, for cutting cardboard, plastic, and fabric up to 1/4 of an inch. So I highly recommend this cordless electric scissors.